Okay, I'm at 3600 doing a sewer line inspection. Show the condition of the main sewer. Two-way cleanout located at the back of the house. Push the camera back underneath. So right now I'm in the cast iron pipe under the house. I'll pull the camera back towards the cleanout. House is occupied, and then we'll run the camera towards the back. There's the city's main.